Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change a server in Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the game. Now go to the top left, tap on your profile. And then in here, just go ahead over to the bottom left and tap on your account. Okay, tap on it. And then once done, at the bottom right, in here, go ahead and tap on Advanced Server. Now you can go ahead and read through the text right here. As you can see here, it says, after accessing the advanced server, you can tap switch server to switch between your server and the advanced server. Now go ahead and go to the top, and as you can see here, anyone who meets the following conditions can access the advanced server via the event. Okay, make sure that your account level is higher than 15. Internet connection is stable, and players who don't meet these conditions cannot start or access the advanced server. So if everything right here is checked, well, just tap on OK. And now you can go ahead and tap on switch a server. That is it. That is how you change a server in Mobile Legends. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.